trigonometry. It is a branch of science in mathematics. So this word trigonometry is derived from two Greek words, namely trigonon and metron. Trigonon and metron. Trigonon means a triangle. Metron means to measure. So finally, we conclude that trigonometry is a branch of science which deals with the measurement of triangles. So to measure an angle, we have three different systems. They namely measurement of an angle. The first one is sexagesimal system. And the second one is centesimal system. And the third one is circular system or radian measure. So in sexagesimal system, we measure an angle in the degrees. It is represented as 1 degree. And in centesimal system, we measure an angle in the grades. It is represented as 1 grade. And in circular system or radian measure, we measure an angle in the radians. It is represented as 1 radian. Okay. Next, we have to give the relationship between these three systems. That is d by 180 is equals to z by 200 is equals to c by 5. That means d means degrees, g means grades, c means radians. So this is the relationship between three types of systems. And 1 degree is equals to 0.01746 radians, and this is the relation between degrees and radians. So 1 degree is equals to 0.0146 radians. Also 2 pi radians is equals to 360 degrees, and pi radians is equals to 180 degrees, and pi by 2 radians is equals to 90 degrees, pi by 3 radians is equals to 60 degrees, pi by 4 radians is equals to 45 degrees, and pi by 6 is equals to 30 degrees. So these are the commonly used values. That is pi radians is equals to 180 degrees, pi by 2 radians means 90. Pi by 3 is equals to 60 degrees, pi by 4 is equals to 45 degrees, and pi by 6 radians is equals to 30 degrees. Convert radians into degrees. For suppose if an angle in radians pi by 6 radians, so it is converted into degrees. Pi radians means 180 degrees by 6 180 by 6, that means 30 degrees. Like that, pi by 2 radians. 180 by 2, that is 90 degrees. So like that, 5 pi by 2. 5 pi by 2 means 5 into pi means 180 by 2. So 2 ones are 2, 92s 180. 5 90s are 450 degrees. 3 pi by 4. 3 into pi means 180 degrees by 4 means 4. 4 ones are 45 fours are 180. 45 threes are 135 degrees. So this is how to convert radians into degrees. Suppose same 30 degrees. This 30 degrees is converted to radians. So for this we should multiply 30 with pi by 180. Pi by 180. 0 0 cancel. 3 ones are 3 6 0. So pi by 6 radians. Pi by 6 radians. Also 90 degrees. 90 into pi by 180. 0 0 cancel. 1 9s are 2 9s are. That is pi radians by 2. That means pi by 2 radians. 60 degrees. 60 into pi by 180. 6 ones are 3 6 are. Pi by 3 radians. 120 degrees. 120 into pi by 180. 0 0 cancel. 4 3s are 6 3s are 2 2s are 3 2s are. That means 2 pi by 3 radians. So 120 degrees is equals to 2 pi by 3 radians. Next topic is trigonometric ratios. Trigonometric ratios. So consider a right angled triangle. So this is a right angle. So the side which is opposite to right angle is called hypotenuse. Hypotenuse. And the side is, this is a angle. And the angle which is opposite to, the side which is opposite to angle is called opposite side. And this is adjacent side. So Telugulo ఇది ఎదుటి భుజం, ఇది ఆసన భుజం, and this is ఇది కర్ణ భుజం. So the angle, the side which is opposite to right angle is called hypotenuse, and the side which is opposite to an angle is called opposite side, and the side which is adjacent to angle is called adjacent side. So using these three sides we have to form 6 ratios. So these 6 ratios are called trigonometric ratios. The first one is sin theta. Sin theta is equals to opposite side by hypotenuse. second one is cos theta. Adjacent side by hypotenuse. Tan theta. Tan theta means a tangent. Tan theta is equals to opposite side by adjacent side. Cosec theta is equals to hypotenuse by opposite side. Sec theta. Hypotenuse by adjacent side. And finally cot theta. Adjacent side by opposite side. Adjacent side by opposite side. So sin theta is equals to opposite side by hypotenuse. Cos theta is equals to adjacent side by hypotenuse. Tan theta is equals to opposite side by adjacent side. Cosec theta is equals to hypotenuse by opposite side. Sec theta is equals to adjacent side hypotenuse by adjacent side. Cot theta is equals to adjacent side by opposite side. So this is the relation between angle and sides. So here sin theta is equals to opposite side by hypotenuse and cosec theta is equals to hypotenuse by opposite side. So sin theta it is a reciprocal of cosec theta. In vice versa, cosec theta is equals to reciprocal of sin theta. That means sin theta is equals to 1 by cosec theta and cosec theta is equals to 1 by sin theta. Similarly, cos theta is equals to adjacent side by hypotenuse. Sec theta is equals to hypotenuse by adjacent side. So cos theta is equals to 1 by sec theta and sec theta is equals to 1 by cos theta. Tan theta opposite side by adjacent side and cot theta is equals to adjacent side by opposite side. That means reciprocal reversal. So this is written as 1 by cot theta and cot theta is written as 1 by tan theta. Also tan theta is equals to sin theta by cos theta and cot theta is equals to it's a reciprocal cos theta by sin theta. Next, trigonometric values. Sin 0, 0, sin 30, 1 by 2, sin 45 degrees, 1 by root 2, and sin 60, root 3 by 2, sin 90, 1. Similarly, cos theta, that means cos 0, 1, cos 30, root 3 by 2, cos 45 degrees, 1 by root 2 cos 60, 1 by 2 cos 90, 0. Tan theta means sin theta by cos theta. So 0 by 1 means 0. 1 by 2 by root 3 by 2. This 2 will be cancelled. So tan 30 is equals to 1 by root 3. So these two are same. That's why they both are cancelled. 1 by root 2 by 1 by root 2 cancelled. 1. So tan 45 means 1. Next tan 60. Similarly, these two will be cancelled. Root 3 by 1 means root 3. Here 1 by 0. 1 by 0 means not defined. It is not defined. Next cot theta. Cos by sin 1 by 0 not defined. And cot theta is the reciprocal of tan theta. That's why this value will be reciprocated. 1 by root 3 means root 3 by 1. Root 3. 1 by 1 means 1. Root 3 means 1 by root 3. Not defined means 0. 0 by 1, 0. Sec theta. It is a reciprocal of cos theta. 1 by first is 1. Root 3 by 2 also 2 by root 3. 1 by root 2. It will be changed to root 2. 2 by 1. 1 by 0. Not defined. Cosec theta. This is and cosec theta is the reciprocal of sin theta. Reciprocal of 0 is not defined. 1 by 2 means 2. 1 by root 2 means root 2. Root 3 by 2. 2 by root 3 and 1 reciprocal is 1. Okay. Next topic is trigonometric identities. The first identity is sin square theta plus cos square theta is equals to 1. So the first identity is sin square theta plus cos square theta is equals to 1. From this, sin square theta is equals to 1 minus cos square theta, and from this sin theta is equals to this square root will be transferred to like this. So sin theta is equals to plus or minus root of 1 minus cos square theta. So sin theta is equals to plus or minus root of 1 minus cos square theta. Like same way, cos square theta is equals to 1 minus sin square theta. Cos theta is equals to plus or minus root of 1 minus sin square theta. And the second one is sec square theta minus tan square theta is equals to 1. So from this, sec square theta is equals to 1 minus will be transferred to on that side 1 plus tan square theta. So sec square theta is equals to 1 plus tan square theta. From this, sec theta is equals to plus or minus root of 1 plus tan square theta. That means square equal cross aithe plus or minus root avutundi. Similarly, from this tan square theta is equals to sec square theta minus 1. Tan theta is equals to plus or minus root of sec square theta minus 1. The last trigonometric identity is cosec square theta minus cos square theta is equals to 1. From this, cosec square theta is equals to 1 plus cos square theta. Also cosec theta is equals to plus or minus root of 1 plus square theta is equals to cosec square theta minus 1. Cot theta is equals to plus or minus root of cosec square theta minus 1. So these are the trigonometric identities.